Meta just brought back its free AI video generator, and it's actually better than before. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to create videos like these, generate YouTube-ready 16:9 animations, extend any scene with one click, and even download everything without the watermark. Let's get started. Meta has moved its AI video generator to a new website called Vibes. It's completely free and even better than before. Let me show you how it works. Go to Google and search for Vibes. Open the official website that appears in the search results. Now sign in using your Facebook account, Instagram account, or your email. Once you're inside, click Get Started. You'll see the prompt box right here. The first thing you should do is open Advanced Settings and set the video resolution to 720p. This gives you a great balance between quality and generation speed. Next, go to the video section and switch it to image. Paste your prompt here. Then click Generate. In just a few seconds, you'll get 4 different image variations to choose from. I like the second one the best, so that's the one I'll use. Feel free to pick whichever version you like the most. Now let's bring this image to life. You'll notice a few different animation options here. Sync to voice is still a bit hit or miss, so I'd skip that for now. You can also choose Sync to Music or Auto Animate, which automatically creates the animation for you. It's great if you want a quick result. But for the best quality and complete control, I recommend Manual Animate. Just describe how you want the character to move. I'll use this prompt. Now let's generate it. While that's generating, if you're enjoying the tutorial so far, hit the like button. It lets me know you want more AI tutorials like this. All right, it's ready. Take a look at this. The animation is surprisingly smooth, and the motion feels much more natural than you'd expect. But we're not done yet. If you want to make your video longer, you don't have to start over. Just click Auto Extend, and Meta continues the scene from the last frame automatically. Now let's generate another video using first frame. Just add an image, enter a new prompt, and generate it. Take a look at the results. The animations look great. So far, we've been creating vertical videos, but making landscape videos is just as easy. Click Start Frame and upload any 16:9 image. Now enter your prompt and animate it. Here's the result. This time, Meta generates the entire video in 16:9 landscape, so there's no cropping or resizing afterward. Now for the trick. Almost every tutorial skips. If you download your video normally, Meta adds a watermark. But there's a really simple workaround. Just right-click the video and choose Copy Video Address. Open that link in a new browser tab, and you'll see the exact same video without the watermark. From there, you can download it directly. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, leave a like. Now learn the complete step-by-step workflow to create AI animated films. Click the video on your screen. I'll see you there.